Hi guys, this is Archana from evidyarthi.in. Welcome back to my session once again. Today we have a very interesting topic for English learners, and that is we are going to talk about the silly mistakes English learners make. So let's get started. We have 8 sentences here and you have to identify the mistakes in these sentences. There are some common mistakes. So let's see if you can identify or not. So the first is, he is married with Suman. What do you think? Where is the mistake here? Yes, absolutely correct. Instead of with, we would use to here. With married, when you are talking about your partner, जब आप अपने partner के बारे में किसी को बता रहे हैं कि I am married to this person, तो आप with preposition की जगह to use करेंगे. To is the correct preposition to be used. So he is married to Suman. So with is incorrect. Okay, next. He is a happiest person now. Do you think there is a mistake in this sentence? Yes, of course. Yes, absolutely correct. Here, A is incorrect. With happiest is the superlative form, and with superlative forms we use the definite article, that is the. Okay, so he is the happiest person now. So the is the correct article to be used here. Next, 6 people lost their life in an accident. So where is the mistake? सोचिए. Okay. यहाँ पर हम लोग 6 we are talking about 6 people, 6 लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. तो यहाँ पे plural आएगा. This is life is singular. This is used with singular. So life का plural क्या होता है? Yes, lives. Wonderful. So lives. This is pronounced as lives, not lives here. Okay, because this is the plural of life. Life का plural है lives. So 6 people lost their lives in an accident. Next, both were talking to one another. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या mistake है? Yes, instead of one another, you would use each other. Why? Because यहाँ पे हम लोग लिख रहे हैं both. Both means we are talking about 2 people, and when we talk about 2 people, we use each other. One another is used for more than 2 people. So each other. Each other. Okay. So the sentence is, both were talking to each other. Next, he enjoyed playing golf in the holidays. He enjoyed playing golf in the holidays. So there is a mistake here. It seems that there is no mistake, right? But there is a mistake, and that is, instead of in, you would use during. During the holidays. Why? Because we are talking about the duration. Holidays के दौरान, he enjoyed playing golf during the holidays. मतलब उसने holidays के दौरान golf enjoy किया, right? Golf खेलना enjoy किया. So here you would use during instead of in. During. Okay. Next. Everyone was asked to submit their forms. Where is the mistake here? ठीक लग रहा है ना? But this is not correct. Because here we are talking about everyone. Everyone is singular. So everyone was. And again, you can identify that this is singular because verb हमने conjugate किया है singular के हिसाब से. So everyone was asked to submit their हम लोग plural के साथ use करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे use होगा either, we don't know whether this is male or female. So we would use either his or her can be used. So everyone was asked to submit his or her forms. Okay? Yeah. His or her. Everyone was asked to submit his forms or her forms. Anything. Next. She has started working here last summer. She has started working here last summer. So there is a mistake here. Do you think there is any mistake? Yes, of course there is a mistake. And the mistake is, this is, here we are talking about last summer के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, which is past active, which is past. And past में, this is already closed, जो कि already finish हो चुका है. She joined somewhere, she joined the work in last summer. She joined the work last summer. Okay? Okay. Let's move to the next point. She has started working here last summer. Okay. So here we are talking about past. Last summer के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. जब हम past activity जो कि finish हो चुकी है, खत्म हो चुकी है, उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, then we use past simple tense and not, and this is present perfect. So this is incorrect. So यहाँ पे आप has, you have to eliminate has from the sentence, and the correct sentence is she started working here last summer. Okay, so this is past simple tense. So has to be removed from here. Okay, so let's move to the next sentence. Not only the students but also the teacher were shocked with results. So there is a mistake? Yes, absolutely correct. Instead of were, we would use was. Yeah. And why? Because हम लोग verb लगाएंगे, verb conjugate करेंगे. टीचर के साथ, टीचर is singular, तो टीचर के हिसाब से हम लोग verb conjugate करेंगे. So that would be was. Not only the students but also the teacher was shocked with results. Teacher singular है, okay? तो singular के साथ were नहीं आता, was आता है. So I hope this is all clear. अगर आपको कोई भी doubts है तो please do not hesitate to write us in the comment box below and we'll reply as soon as possible. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye.